Welcome to StarScope, where fashion slows down and every detail finally has the space to breathe under the Miami lights.
Tonight, we step into the world of Miami Swim Week, captured in slow motion at the iconic SLS Hotel in South Beach.
This is where fabric becomes poetry and movement transforms design into pure visual emotion.
Leading us through this cinematic journey is model Laura Alexander, walking for multiple brands with effortless confidence.
In slow motion, every step reveals intention, allowing the materials to speak as loudly as the silhouettes.
Notice how the swimwear drapes naturally against the body, hugging curves while remaining fluid and free.
The beauty of these materials lies in their balance, structured enough to shape, yet soft enough to flow.
As Laura moves, the fabric catches the light, reflecting Miami's sun in subtle, luxurious tones.
Each piece feels alive, responding to motion rather than resisting it.
This is design made from movement, where the model and the garment exist in perfect harmony.
Slow motion allows us to appreciate textures often missed, the fine stitching, the stretch, the weight of the fabric.
These swimsuits are not just worn, they are performed.
Watch how the materials ripple gently with every step, enhancing Laura's natural rhythm on the runway.
The cuts are bold, yet refined, framing the body without overpowering it.
There's a quiet confidence in the way each look fits, designed to move with the model, not against her.
Miami Swim Week is about energy, but slow motion reveals its elegance.
The colors feel richer here, deeper, as if time itself pauses to admire them.
Each brand brings a unique identity, yet all share a dedication to craftsmanship and fit.
Laura Alexander's walk elevates every piece, giving the fabric purpose and presence.
Her posture allows the garments to shine, creating a seamless blend of strength and grace.
Notice how the material stretches effortlessly, adapting to movement without losing form.
This is swimwear designed for real bodies in motion, not static perfection.
Slow motion lens turns each step into a statement, each sway into storytelling.
Under the lights of the SLS Hotel, these designs feel both modern and timeless.
The beauty here is subtle, found in how fabric responds to breath, balance, and stride.
Each look feels intentional, sculpted yet relaxed, powerful yet inviting.
This is fashion that respects the model, enhancing rather than overshadowing her presence.
The way the material glides over skin creates a sense of freedom and confidence.
In slow motion, even the smallest details become moments worth savoring.
Straps, seams, and textures reveal the designer's hand at work.
Laura's movement transforms each swimsuit into a living design.
The connection between model and material feels effortless, almost instinctive.
This is where fashion meets performance and fabric becomes expression.
Miami Swim Week celebrates boldness, but here it also celebrates refinement.
Each step down the runway feels like a dialogue between body and design.
The materials respond beautifully to motion, never stiff, never forced.
There's elegance in the way these pieces flow, even in their most daring forms.
Slow motion gives us the luxury of appreciation.
We see how the fabric frames the body, enhancing natural lines and movement.
These designs feel confident, comfortable, and undeniably striking.
Laura Alexander embodies the spirit of these collections with every step.
Her presence brings the garments to life, making each look unforgettable.
The beauty of this material is not just how it looks, but how it moves.
It's fashion designed to be experienced, not rushed.
In this slowed-down world, we truly see the craftsmanship.
The runway becomes a canvas, and motion becomes art.
Miami's energy is woven into every thread.
And the result is swimwear that feels both powerful and poetic.
This is where design meets confidence and movement tells the story.
Every step is intentional, every detail revealed.
At StarScope, we believe beauty lives in the details.
And slow motion gives us the chance to truly see them.
This is Miami Swim Week, elevated, elegant, and alive.
Where fabric, form, and movement come together as one.
You're watching StarScope, and this is fashion beautifully slowed down.